navigating choices, understanding at crossroads. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a common English phrase that you might have heard, at crossroads. This phrase is rich in meaning and is used in various contexts. So, if you've ever wondered what it means or how to use it, you're in the right place. The term, at crossroads, is a metaphor that originates from the literal crossroads one might encounter on a road. When you're at a point where roads intersect, you have to make a choice about which way to go. Similarly, being at crossroads in life signifies a moment where a crucial decision is needed, usually when a person must choose between different paths that lead to very different outcomes. Now, let's put this phrase into action. You can use at crossroads when talking about life-changing decisions. For instance, after graduating from college, I found myself at crossroads to continue studying or start working. The company is at a crossroads. It must innovate or risk becoming obsolete. In these sentences, at crossroads clearly shows the significance of the decision to be made. A common mistake learners make is confusing at crossroads with being physically present on a road. Remember, this phrase is almost always used figuratively to describe decision-making situations and not actual locations. The phrase can also be modified slightly while keeping its meaning. You might hear, at a crossroads, at the crossroads, standing at life's crossroads. These variations all convey the idea of being faced with important decisions. I hope this video clears up any confusion about the phrase, at crossroads, and you can now use it confidently in your conversations. Remember, it's all about choices and the pivotal moments that shape our lives. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you at the next lesson. Keep learning and keep making those smart choices.